Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today we have a beautiful, early 12-day postoperative result on a woman who we performed upper and lower eyelid surgery and laser of the lower eyelids. Let's check out the results today. Okay, look at these eyes sparkling. This is one happy patient. Notice how you can see all this light coming. We call it a light reflex. All this hooding and the sad folds of skin over here are gone. The bags on the lower eyelids are gone. And we did fractional carbon dioxide laser of this region. Look at these sunspots over here. Wait, what sunspots? They're gone. We did laser to them. So in addition to tightening the skin, we got rid of those pigmented lesions there. Crow's feet gone, wrinkles, crinkles, hooding, all of it gone. How does it feel?
Feels amazing.
This is Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. If you are interested in facial rejuvenation, you've got to check out our website, drstoker.com. We've got over 10,000 beautiful before and after pictures on there for you to review. Also check us out on our social media. We're active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And on our YouTube channel, we have over 1,100 videos so far. Make sure you send us your contact information with your email or your cell phone, or simply email us directly at info@drstoker.com. This is Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.